What's going on? It's facts you don't know. If it's your first time here and you want to find out new facts that will definitely make you smarter and more well informed, make sure to subscribe and activate the notifications bell so you don't miss anything.
The houses used to build on the old bricks of red color with the use of clay in addition to other materials to increase the building's solidarity and cohesion. These clay spaces expanded to their owners at that time, despite the small size and the large number of individuals living in them, unlike the huge buildings that we see today. This American man, who prefers the life of the past and comes to it, took advantage of one of the very old houses and preserved their exterior shape completely. But he turned it from the interior into a palace, and he became in it to spend the rest of his times. In the historical part of the United States, New Orleans, there are a large number of old houses. But on one street, there's a building with mud and stone and has a corroded face that suggests it's become unusable. It seems that this building has not been restored since it was built for the first time, and it's deserted because it has become a threat to its inhabitants. Because through its appearance, it appears to be more than a century since its construction. But one day, a man came to the village, asked the owner of the house to open the house for him to discover from the inside. Although it appears old, it was an interesting architectural design, and it could have more surprises inside. Indeed, when the owner of the house agreed to open it up, it was surprising that there were invaluable things inside it, as the shape of the house and its components combined between past and present. It contains modern luxury furniture and antique furniture dating back from the 19th and 20th centuries, which made the house look like inside a museum. Several years ago, this man, one of the city's most famous musicians, called Lenny Kravitz, bought this house, which was built about 200 years ago. The American artist was not concerned with the appearance of the building, leaving it as it is, until some plants appeared on its walls. But he was keen to take care of them from the inside and restore it well, while preserving its details and geometric shape. He who watches this house from the inside finds himself as if he's inside a studio. The man used natural stones in the restoration process to make the house look classic, but with modern tools. The house contained all the conditions for a quiet and comfortable life, and it consists of bedrooms, a bathroom, a toilet, and a large hall for guests, as it contains another part of the back that's not clearly visible. The owner of this house intentionally created harmony between its parts and also between the purposes in it. Whether in the kitchen or in the guest room, as it was decorated with curtains and beautiful traditional furniture, which makes you feel as if it's the palace of kings of the 19th century. On the other side of the house, there's a very impressive courtyard in the middle of this house. The patio has a table with classic chairs, where the owner of the house drinks tea and reads books and newspapers. Likewise, the artist, Lenny Kravitz, was focusing a lot on beautiful plants, as he planted many trees and flowers in the yard, to complete the scene in which the person sitting there felt that he'd turned back for more than a century. The man, despite the tempting offers he received to sell the house, after his images spread through social media, but he refused that, as he assured everyone that the house is not for sale, and that he bought it specifically for the purpose of relaxing and recalling the memories of the beautiful past. This American artist hates everything that's fashionable, loves everything that's classic, and he bought a classic Mercedes-Benz made in 1962 in a private auction for $250,000 in 2016. The human being can revive some of the heritage things that everyone thinks have become part of the past, because the construction in our time has become very sophisticated and enables the person to restore any building and whatever was old and make it livable. Thanks for watching. Please like and share the video in social networks. We'll be right back to you as fast as we can.